Sudoku degenerates, welcome. This is, I am a bit behind on Fortress Philomeno, so let's try. The next one is a guest appearance by Chinstrap. Okay, so Fortress Philomeno. I divide the grid into orthogonally connected regions and fill each cell with a number, not necessarily single digit. Hey, Michigan Josh, welcome. How are you? Each cell with a number, not necessarily single digit, showing the number of cells in the region to which it belongs. Each region must be either strictly larger than all of its orthogonal neighbors or strictly smaller than all of its orthogonal neighbors. And clues outside the grid represent the digit placed. Doing well, enjoying the day off work. Oh, good to. That sounds relaxing. Outside clues represent the digit placed in the nth position, looking into the grid in the row / column where n is the first digit and the digit in the first position. Other instances of the clue digit may exist in the row / column. So I guess I could, well, this breaks it. The other two clues break it, but I could do this, and that would satisfy this. It wouldn't satisfy this or this. I'd be in trouble. But there is, in fact, no reason why a digit can't point to itself, at least in principle. Although in this puzzle, no digit higher than 1 can point to itself for the aforementioned reasons. Wait, these could be 2s. This could be something larger than 2, like 4, and then I could put like more 2s here, something like that. Although that might cause problems over here. Okay, well, this obviously is not a 1. Could be a 2, but it, of course, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, or 6. I can't put a 2 in either of these, because a 2 followed by a 1. You can't put a 1 and 2 next to each other. So these are 1, 3, 4, 5, 6. But this cannot be 1, so this also can't be 6. So there's a 1 here or a 1 in here. That would be... This cannot be a 2 or a 1. This is 3, 4, 5, 6, but it can't be a 6 because this can't be a 2. This is 3, 4, 5. So there's a 2 in here. And a 2 in here. Oh, this can't be 5. Well, I mean, there could be more 2s, but the 2 that's actually indexed goes here and here. Yes, GG Porter. Hey, Damo. How goes it? Let's see. If this is 3, these are both 2. Oh, it could go... Oh. Yeah, a 3... Ah, melt... yes. We are getting to that season. Okay, I think this being a 3 doesn't work. Because, like, whichever of these it takes... Oh, unless it goes like that. Something like that. These would be blues next to pink. Oh, but wait. If this is also 3... Oh. Can this be 3 if these are 2s? No, because something's going to touch... Okay. So these cannot both be 3s. Can they both be 4s? Well, okay, if this is 3, then if this isn't 3, it's either 2 or... Well, you can never have a pink 2. So, yeah, this can never be 3. This is 4. These are 2s. And now I just gotta figure out how these... Oh, if these are all 4s, and I put... Oh, wait. Maybe that wouldn't work. Oh. Well, there's also the fact that this contradicts that. Okay, and if this is also a 4 and this is also a 2, this is blue, so pink. Oh, then this could be big. Yeah, that does work. Does it work for this to not be a 4 is the question. Oh, yeah. Ah, so this must be big. So this can't be 1. So the 1 must go in here. So does it work for this to not be a 4? Well, if it is, then what is this? Can't be 1. Can't be 2. Oh, unless... Wait. Ooh, that would actually work. Oh, wait, no, it breaks over here. Oh, wait. Oh, no, that's done. So this also has to be blue. Blue touch, blue or create. Yeah, okay, so... So... Hey, Q. So... I'm like 99% sure this has to also be a 4, but I'm not entirely sure what... Oh. This can't be 3 now. Hey, Ambrose. Oh, can there be a 1? Right, this can't be 4. Can this be a 1? Oh, and Stu, welcome. How is everyone? Can this be a 1? Well, if so, this is always 2, and if this is... Okay, well, 2 puzzles, given the sort of puzzles people send you, that is that is definitely not something to sneeze at in Wait, there's no... Oh, this can't be 6 now. Or 5. So there's a 7 in here. Strategically chose a 4-star and a 3-star. Oh, cool. Oh. What is... Is there something more I can say about... Okay, if this goes down... Yes, good luck with that one. Well, if this goes here... This is 5. Takes all those. But it doesn't take the... Okay, so that's 1. Oh, that breaks. So this does not go down, as I predicted. Oh. Okay, like a 2 in here breaks. A 2 here. Oh, that does work. Is it possible this is a blue 4? Oh. I think either way, this is always 2, right? Oh. If this goes down... if these are different, this is not 1. 2 eventually breaks, but even if it didn't, this would still be 2. 3 does not work. 4 works. If this is 5, this is 1. Oh, then this... Oh, that breaks. 5 breaks. This is 1. These have to link up. Alright. And now... I am satisfied this cannot be... Oh, and neither of these... Okay, so this is just 4. Right. These are part of the same region. So I know that... Oh, but there's no way this doesn't touch that. Right. I think... Oh, it's not necessarily the case that both of these are 4s, because there are some... Well, let me finish that anyway. I think there are some other ways this can work. Now, if this... but it is going to touch this, so this does have to be blue, so this has to be pink. Okay. Right, and these have to collect that. There was probably a much easier way of getting all this, but I got there eventually. Okay, so now I just got to deal with this. Now this is already at 7, and it can't... Ah. Is it going to be something like that? Oh, wait. There. Kind of vibes all. Okay, good to know I'm not the only one who, as soon as this extends south or west. Oh, yeah. Good point. Yeah, that was the key. That I could have used that. Okay. So, I think what I've got is this being 7, this being 3, these being 1s, these being 2s. Well, I see that that works. I don't see why it has to be... Well, I guess it is kind of easy to see why this is the only Yeah, this can't join up, so this has to be... Right, and... Right, and since this can't be 7, I can only extend so far down here, and there has to be one in between. Right. Fitting a 7 and having this not be... Yeah, okay. I am satisfied. That is rigorous enough. Yeah, that is a nice final step. I do think that's more 3 stars than 2, but yeah, thanks for the GGs. But yeah, that was neat. Oh yeah, 3 in the corner at the very end. No one tell Ratfangs. I like how it's very symmetrical in some ways and completely asymmetrical in others, too. That's neat. Yeah, numbered rooms in Philomeno also pretty unexplored. Or underexplored. Has anyone... I know people have done skyscraper Philomenos. I tried one of those, I think it was by Jay Dyer, and I couldn't get very far in it. But, oh yeah, that was neat. All right. And this is... Next up, got Constant Temperature by Paul Pot, who I will ping. Ah, good. So, normal Sudoku rules apply within the main 9x9 grid. I got a place that is 1 to 9 in each row, each column, and each 3x3 box. Slow thermometers. Values must not decrease while moving from bulb to tip, and they may exceed 9 outside the grid. X sums. Outside values are the sum of the first X cells in the row or column from that side of the grid, where X is the value of the closest cell. So if this is a 5 and this is a 2, then these two sum to 5. Yes, box 6 is going to be probably where the break-in is. And if this is 6, and this is 2, this is 4, and if this is 3, this is a 1-2 pair. Of course, that's assuming that values have to be distinct, which, thanks to Copycat, they do not. Place 9 copycat cells into the grid such that there is exactly 1 copycat cell in each row, column, and 3x3 box. Each copycat cell must contain a different digit. The value of a copycat cell is the digit in the cell rotationally opposite itself in the grid, 180-degree rotation about the center of the grid. For example, if row 2, column 3 is a copycat cell containing the digit 5, and row 8, column 7, row 2, column 3, sorry, and row 8, column 7 contains the digit 9, the value of this equals 9. Okay. So yeah. This and this are very interesting in terms of if we need anyone to be confused, I can do that. Yes, this puzzle might get a bit confusing. This slow thermo and this slow thermo are... Of course, I can only have one copycat on here, so I do need at least 6 different values. Okay, what is... Yes, that would be... There's also the fact that, like, 9 in here kind of has to be on a copycat, or else there's a copycat up here taking a 9. And same goes with 1 in this, unless, like... Well, there's no way this is a 1. This cannot have a value of 1. Well, okay, let me think about, like, I assume min-maxing this is the key to the break-in, because I need at least 6 distinct values on here, because I only have one copycat in this column. So, say those 6 values range from 2 through 7. Well, the minimum of 7, even with copycat, if, like, the 6 in the row or something else copies a 1, even if I repeat a 1 in the row, it'd be 7 plus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 23. And 2 is not going to get me there. Okay, what about 3 through 8? 3, if it copies, if I have 2 9s, that's 21. 8, if I have 2 1s. Highlighted 6 cells. Isn't this... Oh, this is 6. Right. Right. Sorry, I was miscounting. I thought this was 7 cells, but it's only 6. Okay, that... Well, I still can't do it with 2, right? Because 6, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. That's still 17, and a 2 won't get me there. Okay, so... what about 3 through 7? 3 with 2 9s is 21. 7 with... My phone now only suggests experts in all caps. What's that? Oh. If it's 3 through 7. 7... 9 plus 14, that's still 23. That's too high. So 4 through 8. 8, 1, 1, 10, 30, and 4. Oh, but I can only get one extra 9 value. So it's 998. 4998. Oh, that's exactly 30. Okay, so I think that has to be it, right? All of these are 30, and this is 4 through 8 plus the copycat in the row. Okay, so none of these are copycats. Also, I mean, this has a value of 4. So I know there's a copycat there. Oh, and there can't be one here, so that is a 4. Oh, and similarly, the 8 needs to copy a 1. So it cannot... Right. What about 7? Oh, well, minimum of 7 is 28 without... And maximum of 5 is 35. Okay, so the copycat... Well, okay, there's an 8 and a 9 in here, along with a copycat taking a 9 here. So there's a 9 in here. Oh, that might cause trouble here, unless this is also a copycat taking a low digit up here in a copycat cell. Oh, and the next, whatever value the copycat takes, it can't be... Oh, and there's also the fact that, like, the 9 in here must either be on a copycat or it must go here with next to the 9 up here. What is that next to the actual 9? Okay. But if the 9 is on a copycat, it can be anything. What about 1? Oh no, 1 must be on a copycat. 1 must be on a copycat, so the 9 isn't on a copycat. So the 9 goes here along with a copycat taking a 9. So in fact, this is where the copycat gets its... Okay, none of these are copycat. So these are 9s. Oh, and there's 9s on here. Ah, but I don't... Oh, this can't be a 9. This is. Okay. Oh, and... Oh, but the copycatted digit on here... I can't say for sure that this is from 1, 2, 3. Well, I know the actual 5, 6, and 7 go up here, right? Yeah, along with the... Oh, yeah. So the copycatted digit is from 1, 2, 3, taking a 4, 5, 6, or 7 from over here. Yeah, that is a neat break-in. Oh, and this has to be actually 8 or 9. So, oh. this is... Oh, I guess it's not that... Oh, yeah, it's not... I don't have to use copycats to... I don't technically yet have to use copycats to satisfy these. Or these, because they're short enough that things could... Yeah, okay, let's... I guess the 5 is in here, the 6 is in here, and the 7's in here. And I know this has a value of 7. Oh no, it could have a value of 8. Wait, no, well, it could if I take... Oh, I've also got to think about where... Oh, well, okay, so 1 in this row is not... Oh, 1 is on a copycat, so... So 3 is not on a copycat. But I don't know... This could be a copycat that isn't a 1. It's probably in here. Is there some reason this cannot... But a 7 doesn't need... Technically, it doesn't need... I mean, I guess it does. If this is a 9, it's going to need a copycat to get... Okay, so if this is a copycat, then this is a 9, and I know there's a copycat here. Oh, but this... Oh, hang on. Right. I gotta think about... The actual digits in here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and a copycat taking a 1. So that's 7 or 9, and it is not 9, it is 7. So the 9 in this row is a copycat. It's not 9. This isn't 9 because of these. So, oh, and this, okay, so there's a copycat here taking a 1 up here. So that's not 1. So I guess none of these are a copycat. Oh yeah. But I still don't know which of these it is, so I can't actually green these. Oh. Well, if it goes here... Oh, then one of these could still be a copycat. And take a low digit up here. Yeah, this puzzle is still a bit confusing, but there's also the fact that I'm 90% sure the 3 has to go here. Because if the copycat goes on here, it's a 1. Oh, wait. What about 2? Oh, unless there's a copycat here taking a 2 up here. Oh, there's also a 9 in here. Right, because the copycat is a 9. Seems to be forced. Oh. Right. Because if, like, there's a copycat 1 on here... Right, 2 has to go next to a copycat taking a 2. So, yeah, so, okay, so there's a 2 here, there's a copycat here. So this is, in fact, 7. There is a copycat here taking a 2 up here. Oh, or a 1. Okay, so it takes a 1 or a 2. But I think we are correct that 2 has to go here in this box. Oh, but this, right. Now that... Right, this is 1 or 5, 1, 5, or 6, and this is 1 or 6. So this is a 1, 5, 6 triple, so this is a 2, 3 pair. Three goes in here somewhere. Now, if this is 1, it takes a 5 or a 6 here. If this is 1... Yeah, the 1 copies a 5 or a 6. Or I guess here it could copy a 4, or maybe that's... If this is a 9... Ah, true. It is not possible to copy the same digit exactly 8 times in a copycat puzzle. Granted, here yes, that could be a neat deduction. I don't think it's useful here, but it could... I think there was something... Wait, I recall there was one copycat puzzle where that actually was... Where something like that was useful at the ending, but I can't remember what puzzle it was or who made it. And I'm not sure it was copycat. It might have been something similar, but I remember, like, that sort of logic. Oh, what puzzle was that? Oh, dang it. It was... I think it was kind of recent, though, I mean... Yeah, what? Oh, I wish I could remember. Let's ask in the server, see if anyone knows what we're talking about. Remind me to do that later, or you can do it. Yeah, one of us should... Now, is it possible this copies a 4? That would make this an 8-9 pair. Oh, this would have to be 9. Oh, this would be a copycat. This would be an 8-9 pair. This would be a 9. These could technically... Oh yeah, these both have to have a value of 9, so this would have to be 8. Okay, but this has a value of... Oh, I guess if this is a 1, this could be 5, 6, or 7. So I know the copycat in here is 9. So there's no more 9s on copycat cells. Oh, and none of these are copycat. But because this has to take a low digit up here, a 1 or a 2, I am a little more flexible in how I resolve this. Oh, there's the fact that there's no copycat shenanigans here. So this, I have ruled that none of these can be copycat, and that might be interesting with regards to... What is the maximum I can put on here? Because these... I mean, these all have values of 8 or 9, but, like... Am I forced to put... It feels like this has to be a 1-2 pair, but like, okay, there's 3 can go in any of those, 8 can go in any of those, and I think 4 and 7 can go in literally any of these 6. Still, it would be very forcing if there was a 7 down here. But, or a 4 up here for that matter, but I'm not seeing, oh, maybe it causes problems here. Oh, I don't think so. Because, like, if this is a value of 5 or even... Feels like I should be able to answer, like, if this is a 1 copying a 4. Oh. There's also the fact, okay, this is not 1, 2, 3, or 4. So the actual digits in here is from 5, 6, 7. Meanwhile, this is from 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, there's a 1 up here. So a 1 here. Hey, Carl! How goes it? Six has to take fairly low digit. Yes, the break-in was actually pretty smooth. It's just now that we've actually broken in, it's getting quite a bit trickier. Let's see. Okay. If feels like I should be able to force there to be a 1 on here. Well, the 2... It must go with something copying a 2 or a 1. Oh, and it can't go with another actual 2. Yeah, there is a 1 on here. Is the other digit a 2? Not necessarily, but I know there's a 1 on here. I know the copycat here is a 1. The one here is a 9. So yeah, the 2 here goes with a copycat taking a 1 or 2 and goes with a 1. So I can't put the actual 2. I can't put a non-copycat 2 here. Which means I don't think I can put a 2 here at all. Ooh, yeah. If this is a copycat, it's a 9. Right, and this must be single digit because of this. So, yeah, this cannot... Oh, and this can't be 8, right, because this cannot be... This has to be, at most... This is just like 2 or 3. Oh, I guess it could be higher if there's like a copycat here taking the 1. Well, this must be at least 2. So this must be at least 3. Could it be 5? Well, no, because... I was going to say, that's already 11. So even with the copycat, yeah, the max this can be is 4. And that's if there's a copycat here. So this is 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, yeah, this. You can't have a 2x sum. So this is only 1 or 3. Could this be an actual 1? Oh, but if this is 3, this is 4, and this has to be a copycat. Right. And the only way that this is less than 3 is a... Yeah, this is always a copycat. So this is 5. 1, 6. Taking... Oh, well, this could be... Right. But this... Oh, well, this can't take a 6. So it has to take a 1. And they see each other. So this is 6 or 7. Oh, it's 6. Okay, so there's no 6 up here, because each copycat cell must contain a different digit. So this is 1. I'm guessing this is also 1. Though I suppose this could be... If this is 3, this is 2, 1. Oh, that's too big. This is 1. So this is 1. So this is either 6, or if this is 4... There's no way this is 7. This is 6, 8, or 9. And if this is 4, 3, 1... Oh yeah, that could be 9. Oh, the reason 3 is too big is the only way to make it is if this is 2, this is 1. Now this is 3, this is 4, but that's already 10. So this... Yeah, so it breaks this. So this does have to be 1. That doesn't actually resolve this, but it's... Right, yeah. That is... Okay, so... These sum to 25 without using 5 or 6. A musician should be good at counting to 4, yes. Well, sometimes you gotta count to 3 instead, or... I guess if you're Yoko Shimomura, you sometimes... write 11 3-time signatures, though that was only in Super Mario RPG. So, this is also a 6. So these sum to 24. Without using a 1, if I make that 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, that is 20. Okay, I could make this 1, 7, 8, 9, but, oh, wait, this has to... Oh! Oh, right, this has to take a low digit up here. Oh, right, there's a 2 here. So that's 3, that is 4. So that's 9, and that's 9. Or it takes... Oh, no, it is 9, and it is not a copycat. Oh, so that's 9. Oh, that's clever. So this is the copycat. So this is 5 or 7, and this in turn copies this 2. So, right, this has to be the 2, and this has to be the 1. Oh, that dang sound alert. Oh, maybe it's because it was a custom sound that I uploaded. Maybe that's why it's not... I should check my sound alerts profile to see if... Oh, this is 1. Okay. So, oh no, I could make this an actual 2 and have this be a 3. That still works. Oh, but wait, no, it breaks down here. So this cannot be a 3. This has to be 3. Because this is at least 2. These are all from 4, 7, 8, 9. Well, this can't be less than 4. Oh, so 4 goes here. I think this has to be 8, 9. This could still be any of them. Or 6, column 1, 2, 3. Ah, right. It sums to 20. Or wait. Well, it sums to... This has to sum to 15. Before column 8 isn't 9. Oh, right, yeah. Okay, so this is 9. Oh, right, because the copycat, right. Okay. Right, what these actually sum to is, right, 30 minus 5, which is 25. So these sum to 20. Right, and this has to be 9. Okay, so... Oh! Right, these do have to be 5, 7, 8. Huh. Interesting. Yes, yes, it does. I can confirm my attempt to set a copycat puzzle. Oh. Okay, so this... If this is a copycat, I got 45. And there's no way for this to sum to more than that, or even equal to that. So this has to be a high digit copying a low digit in here. And, right, this has to be 8, right? Because there's no way, even if I make this, like, 6 and 9, nice. That's still only 35. That's going to be way more than I can, especially because I can't use 9 anymore. Right. This has to be 8. And I just gotta remember that whatever the copycat in here is, it has to be fairly high and copying a digit that's fairly low. Well, actually, this is 44 now, so it doesn't have to be that low. It just has to be lower than... Oh, there's also this. Okay. Right, because these are... The max this can sum to is 15. Oh. So the minimum this can sum to is 30. Wait, doesn't that mean... Oh. No, not necessarily. Right, there's also... Oh, this digit in this box only goes here. There's a 4 in here in this box. Okay, so I got a 2 and 5 left here. If this is 2, I just have to worry about, making this have a higher value than... If this is 5, this has to be very high indeed. If this is 2, this is either an 8 or it copies an 8 here. These are from 1, 3, 4, 6, 8. This is... Oh, wait. Oh, wait. This 4, this is resolved. So these are from 4, 5, 6. This is not 6. This is not 4. Oh, one of these is 6, so that's 7, that's 8. Now this has to be less than this, and possibly this. Oh, I guess if this is 6, that is easier. Oh, 8 in this box. And 6 in this column, since the 6 in this box... Okay, so that's 6. These are only from 1, 3, 4. So there's a 1 down here, and it is not... Okay, so the copycat cell in here must be 3 or 4, and it can't be 4 because then I have 2 4s in copycat. So this is in fact a 1-3 pair. This is a 4, and the 3 is the copycatted digit. This is 2, 4, 5. 3, 6, and 9. The copycatted cell in here can't be 1. It also can't be 2, because that makes this a 1-2 pair, and then this has no value. Can't be 3. If it's 4, then every other digit lower than it is accounted for, so it's not 4 either. So it is 5, 7, or 8. Not sure how to notate that, but there's a 5, 7 here. I know the copycat down here is specifically 9. Oh, 5 in this. Yeah, this is 3, 5, 9. So that is not 5. Oh? What's wrong with a 5 or an 8 taking the value 4? Oh, for the X I'm on the right side. Right. Right, I gotta balance that. Okay. Right, so how much does this get lowered by? This... Oh, right, we can. Or wait, can we? If this is 5... Let's... Okay, that has a value of 2. That always has a value of 2. So if this is 5... Oh, maybe I should think about this. There's always a 6 in here. And a 1. And a 4. Oh, what? No, the 4 could go... There's always a 1 and a 6 in here. That's 19, 21. So wait. I know this. These have to sum to 9. So yeah, that's 126. Cool. Where is 2 a copycat? It can only be in this box. Because it can't be here, and everything else the copycat sees a 2. Oh, yeah. This has to be 8 or 9. Can't be a 9 because of this. So it's 8. Makes that a 9. Cool. Oh, and this is green, so that is... Okay, it also takes a 2. Oh. Right. It's 7 or 8. But either way, that is a 9 and that is an 8. And that's 5 or 6. And that is pink. So there's a 2 up here. 9. So these are from 5, 7, 8. And tellingly, one of these has to be an 8. Or one of these specifically, for what that's worth. Why wasn't which a 7? Oh. Yeah. One of these is a 6. It's not 8. There's a 6 up here. This is also 5, 6, 7, 8. So this is 1, 4, 9. Right, yeah, if this is 15, we're in trouble here, because this would have to be 30, which breaks this. Right, so that's 1, that's 4. I think I looked at that earlier and then got distracted by something else. So this sums to 12. So the digits in here sum to 33. So we need a difference of 3. So it's a 7 taking a 4 or an 8 taking a 5. Exactly. Oh, and this can't be 7 or 8. Because of these. That's not 9. That's not 2. It did break a lot. It's the only valid solution of yikes. I can imagine this breaking a lot. So these are a 5, 7, 8. Yeah, that is the beauty of things like this. Oh, and right, the 9 takes a 1, so this isn't 1. Yeah, this does look effortless, which is part of the magic of oh, I should also is this useful now? Like, what's the max this can be? 6, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 9. That's 9 plus 23, 42. And what's the minimum this can be? If I give 2 1s... ones, 2, 3, 4, 11 plus 15, 26. What did I say the max this could be? Oh, 42. Maybe that's... Oh, but if this... Oh. Minimum this can be is 26, but if this is 5, it's 9 plus 13, 22. Yeah, that... Okay, this does have to be 6. The fact that these are the same digit, do I know? Oh, row 2, column 3, and box 3. Right, it goes up here. Okay, so that's a 7-8 pair, so that's 5. This digit goes here, here. As this digit goes here. This is currently at 24. So this sums to either 31 or 32. Hey, juggler. Oh, yeah. Right. There's this. Right. I forgot about this. 13. Okay, that's 2. So this is the other... Oh! Neat. It's not that scary once you've... Oh, wait. A 9 here breaks. It makes this too big. Because we're already at 24, and now this cannot be... Right. At 33. Oh, especially because this is only 31. So this is not 9. I'm pretty sure this has to be the... Oh, what about this? Oh, that's 7. That is 3. We're making progress. Yeah, it wasn't that bad once we... I will say, each step is pretty decently telegraphed. Oh yeah, right. Once this is 8, this is 5. Ah, 1 9 pair. 4 here. This is 2 or 6. Ah, so this is a 2 6 pair, so this is 3. So, yep, as I predicted, this is 9, which means this is 1. And this is 2. I think the rest should unravel pretty smoothly from there. Woo! Nice. Thanks for the GGs. Yeah, that was neat. Oh, no problem. Thanks for making it. Yeah, beautiful idea. This... I can certainly agree it must have been quite tricky to set, but that is definitely... Yeah, definitely worth it. Oh, these are both 9s too. Ooh. Okay. What's the LMD code? Because my chat does tend to eat links. SZY. Okay. Oh, Ichikara Pelago. Oh, this is interesting. Okay. Okay. Gotta refill my water, but after that I will attempt that. Okay. And yeah, this was really neat as well. All right. I'll be right back. Alright, oh, try out SPW on a different day. Okay. Oh, wow. Okay, I will definitely try that out on a different day. Oh, wrong. Okay, I'm sorting. Yeah, I'll try that on Thursday. But yeah, more outside cats. Sounds wrong when you put it like that, but yeah, okay, let's try Ichikara Pelago. So you place the digits 1 to 7 once each in every row, column, and irregular region. Divide the map into islands, orthogonally connected groups of cells, and water, a single orthogonally connected group of cells. One island has been given. Every mountain, I think that's what this is. Every mountain contains a different digit. A digit n on a mountain indicates that its island has n cells and contains the digits 1 to n once each. Okay. Oh, that is tricky to do with, Okay. And no region can be entirely island. Oh, and I need... Now, it doesn't say no 2x2s of island. Oh, well, that's just a 1. So, oh, and since each island, every mountain contains a different digit, so each island is a different size. Oh, the water must get out here. This water must escape. Okay, so I've got the 1 and 4. So these are 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Now, what's the biggest this can be? I think the biggest this can be is 5. Ah, yes, always wise to omit rules that are not useful or needed. This either takes these to these. Okay. There's also the fact that one of these is a 1. And there's also the fact that, oh, if this is 2, this is 1. That would work quite well. If this is 2, oh, this being 2 does not work. Ichikara Nurikabe? Oh, now I've got that running through my head. If this is 2, these both see this, so this can't be 1, and this can't be 1 because of the row. So this is not the 2. In fact, where can this even get its 1? Oh, though, I guess if it's 3, could get it there. I guess, okay, these 2 digits must go here in this region, for what that's worth. Oh, and by law of leftovers, these 2 must be the same as these 2. So this digit goes here in this row and here in this row. Oh. Well, it would mean this is 1. Oh, that would break this cell. Right, so this can't be 3 either. Okay. This is 3. A 1-2 pair here makes a 1-2-3 triple here, makes these the same. Also put some pressure on this. What can I say about... I guess these digits go here by law of leftovers. And these digits go here, for what that's worth. These 3 digits go here. Oh, 4 in this column. Ooh. Right. Right. There's 3 4s in here. And each of these, right, this is 4. This is... where... do I need to think about, like... oh, this cannot be a 5 now, because this island could never get a 4. So either this is... so one of these is a 1. Oh, yeah. This region, its 4 goes here. I think this region, its 4 could still go... oh, wait. This region, its 4 only goes in these, so that creates an X-wing. Okay, so this one gets its 4 over here. This is 1 or 2. If this is 2, this is 1. If this is 3, this is a 1-2 pair. And this digit goes here. I guess 1 in this region only goes here. Oh, 1 in this region. Well, it can't go there or there, but it can go in any of these and here. So that... oh, but I already know one of these is a 1 just because these 3 digits in this region go here. So... oh yeah, 1 never in blue. So one of these is a 1. And one of these is a 1. This is 2. Oh, this can't be 2, because there's always a 2 up here. every one is green, and all but one of the 2s are green. This is from 4, 5, 6, or 7. Oh. This region's 1 and this region's 1. They form a little X-wing rolling 1 out of there. So 1 in this region only goes down here. The fact that oh, right. Blue is counting circles minus 1 set of 1 through 7. So it's counting circles minus 1 of each digit. Yeah, probably not useful, but it's a bit interesting. Oh, this is a 2-3 pair. If this is 3, then these are both 2. This is 1, this is 1. But if this is 2, this is 1, this is 3. These are a 1-2 pair. Okay. So this is either 1 or blue. If this is 2, it gets its 1 here, makes that a 3, 2. Oh, that makes that a 3. Oh, I think. Oh. Okay. Yeah, it does not go on any of those mountains. So it goes on one of these mountains. Now, which... Let's see, if it goes here... Oh, right. Law of leftovers. It goes in here. So it sees that, so it must go in here. So these are the same digit. So it goes in here. And here by... Okay, man. Didn't use that, but it's true. Okay. Okay. It is still... It might be useful later, though, so I will leave that notated. Okay, so there's a 2 in here. Is there anything that they all see? This digit goes in here by law of leftovers with this digit. I guess... this can't be a 2. Because then I could never put 2 on any island. In fact, this digit on an island, it only goes, it doesn't go here or here. This digit is this digit. Okay. Goes here in this. Also, it goes here in this region. This region. Oh yeah. Oh, where does it go in this column? That leaves this pattern to resolve it. What about, there's the fact that this is a 2-3 pair. This goes on one of these islands. If it goes here, then it goes here. Either here or here. What happens if it goes here? Oh. Well, then in this region it can only go here, which would be very... Oh, coloring the grid while possible is very visually confusing. Yes, I am and isn't needed if you do one more deduction. Okay. If this goes here, then it goes here. We'd be running out of blues to put it on very quickly. Because putting blue on a low digit, oh, it would go here or here. Which... oh, then it can't go in this. Right, okay, so this does not go here. It goes here. Alright, what is the one more deduction that would remove the need for that? I know every one is green, and all but one of the twos are green. If I could find the blue two... that would be powerful. This digit goes here in this box. So that's 5, 6, 7. That's a 5, 6, 7 triple. So this is... this digit goes up here in this box. Green 7 is here, so every other 7 is blue. What? It goes here in this region. This in right, it goes up here. Oh, so it goes up here. So it must go here in this row. Not sure about... well, I know in this region it goes... these two, I know these two are the same, and in this region they go here. That rules it out of all of there. Yeah. Let's see. Oh, there it is. Oh, well, sorry I didn't spot whatever I was meant to find. I'm assuming... Okay, a little deadly pattern there. Alright, what about... One of these must be 4. Oh yeah, that's these. Okay, what about this, though? Yeah, a lot of islands are close to blocking off water. But, like, okay, if this is green, then this pretty much has to be blue. I guess these can't both be green, and for that matter, these can't both be green, which would make for a very... What am I meant to... I wonder what... Is this... If this is 3... This in row... Oh no, this in row 3. It is not there... Oh, it's here! Right, okay. But this cannot be... Okay, so this is 1 or 3. Can this be a blue... If this is 3, it's blue. Can this be a blue 3? 2, 1, 3. Oh, well, this is... That makes this... Okay, so this is not 4. Oh yeah, and it sees a 2-3 pair. Duh. Alright. Oh, it is? Oh, yeah. Right. It's... it's here. There. Okay, there's no way for this to be green, because no matter which mountain it reaches, it's going to cut off some blue. It's either going to cut off this, or both. So this is always blue. Oh, 2 in this region. It only goes there. Now, technically I haven't... Oh wait, where does this get its 1? It only gets it there. Now this cannot be green, or it would have to reach this and cut off this down here. 1 in row 2. Yes. And that's green. Coloring isn't that useful anymore. Well, okay. This does need a green 4. But it could get it here or here. It also needs to take... but it could reach it up through here. Yeah, that's... Okay. Wait. This cannot be 7. Oh, unless... Right. If this is blue, this is also blue. That doesn't work. That breaks this. So this is green. Right, and not enough space for this to be 7. So one of these is 7. The only space they both see is this, but So this... It either takes all of these, or it takes... Oh yeah, and it can't have a 7 on its island. So in fact, it cannot have any digits higher than it on its island. Higher than its mountain digit, that is. So this is 7, this is 5. So these are all... this is green, so this is not 4, this is 4. So that's 4. Oh, the 6 makes that a 5. And these are from 1, 2, 3. Oh, this isn't 2. This is 2. 1, 3 pair here. 5, 6. 6, 5. This is now 3. We have one of our 2 blue 3s. This is 6. This is 3, 4. We still don't have our blue 2 yet. But this has to get out through here. And it can't cut off water from there. So it takes all of those. I'm guessing it also takes all of these, or most of them at least. Or in this way. Oh no, it goes there, right. That was how I did this, right. So now, oh, this is a 4. So this is 3, this is 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 6. This is 3, 6. Oh, this is 2. If it takes the... Oh. Right, if it takes this, then, right, then this is a problem, right. So it does take all these. This is 2. Making that 6. Aha. Five and 7. That's 7, that's 5. That is 3. But before I finish that off, let's say, oh, this has to join this. Oh. Wait. Yeah. There. Cool. Yes, I probably could have spotted the where does this go in this row much sooner. How did I rule it out of there? Something after this being a 2, 3. Yeah, that was a neat puzzle. Here, here. It is impressive that this works with no givens and only one island clue. It's just happy I found any. Yes, I imagine that would have been. The rule set is quite restrictive. Yes. In a 6x6, there aren't any. Oh, interesting. Neat. Just barely isn't enough room. Oh, interesting. Well, yeah, that is, was really neat. All right. Yeah, thanks for sending that in. That was cool. I don't know if I have a... I did get off to a bit of a late start because of errands, so I think I'll save this for Thursday. But, yeah, I think I do want to make a little more progress on this. Let's see, I was mostly done with the forest temple. It's just... it's just this clue causing trouble. The Shadow Temple, I think I've... Well, let me look at it with fresh eyes. 2, 3, 6, 8 does not look promising. 1, 2, 8. I think I'm just... How do I... there. Okay. Oh yeah, I've got this on the Shadow Temple, but I don't think I can do... Well, wait. 4, 6, 9. Well, that's 6 or 9. Nice. That's 4 or 6. I've got these starter combinations. That's 1, 5, 7. That's 1 or 5. Yeah, I don't think I can do more here yet. Unless there's some... Unless there's like a hidden naked single somewhere. What's left up here? 1, 4, 7, 8. This is only 1 or 4. 4, 7, 8. But the rest, yeah, after that it gets... Oh. This is only 1 or 2. This could be any of 2, 3, 8. Yeah, I don't think I can do much in the Fire Temple. Okay, so it has to be the Spirit Temple. So, what about this? 5, 7, 9. This is 7 or 9. I already know that's... Okay. So there's a 5 over here and a 5 over here. The 5s are in the same place in the child region and the adult region. Version... Oh, wait! This is... That's 1. Okay. This is 3 and 7. This is 6, 8, or 9. This is 6 or 8. What about... Oh, 4, 5, 7. This is 4 or 7. This is 4 or 5. This is 5 or 7. 169. That's not 9. That's not 1. Ah, so that's 2. The rule is any digit that's high in the child version of the Spirit Temple must be low in the adult version and vice versa, and the 5s are in the same place in both grids. 6, 9, okay. Does that 2 get me... Yeah, that is a fun rule. I guess 4 is up here. This... maybe more on Hyrule Field. Not seeing, okay. Oh, where does 9 go in this column? This is a 1-6 pair. And there's a 6 up here. This is 3 or 6. Oh, let me find some Zelda music in the playlist for something more... Not that I mind East music, it is... Oh wait, this can't be low. This is 7. This is 3, making this 6 and 7. So this has to be... This is 3. So that's 1. That's 1, 2, 3. That's 1 or 3. That's a 1, 2, 3 triple. So that's a 7, 9 pair. That's not resolved, but it does mean this is 1 or 3. Okay, that's 3, that's 1. Which means this has to be high. Oh. These can no longer be 3. so this is 3. Okay. 2 and 6, that's 2, that is 6. Now these are a 6-8 pair. These are a 1-4 pair. Now, oh, that makes this a naked 7. Oh, this looks down at 1. Thank you. Okay, so this is, oh, that's 1. This is 6, 8, or 9, same as this. Oh, so 7 in this box must go there. Oh, that's been forced for a while. This being 3 or 4, because this is high. This being 6 or 8, it does create a 6-8 pair. And this being 1, 3, or 4. Okay, so there's always a 2 here. Oh, 1, 3, 4 pair here. This is 6, 8, or 9. This is 1, 3, or 5. 2, 3, 4, or 5. Okay. Let's see, I mostly know the... Oh. 4, 6, 7. This is 6 or 7. So this is 2 or 3. Oh, this is 7. So this is 2 or 3. That makes a 2, 3 pair here. So this is 6 or 9. Oh, that's 9. Ah, and this, there's a 9 in here. Rules 9 out of... how do I... Let me undo that. Okay. There's no 9 in there, so that is a 9. Or 8 pair resolved by that. Oh, that's 3. And that's 9. Oh, that makes that 9, and that 5, and that's 7. Five and 9. Aha. So that's 5. This is 2 or 3, makes that a 1. 3, 4, aha, makes that 2, and that 3. Okay, well, surely I can, aha, this 3. Gold Sculptula, okay, but I got this, at least. Ah. That's 3. That's 2. Oh, and this over here, that's 3. And that's 8. And that's 6. Okay, so what's up here? Surely one of these is the mirror shield. Or something that'll help me get the mirror shield elsewhere. It's 2, 6, and 7. Oh, this 5. So that's 6. So this is a 2-7 pair. Bombs! Ooh, that gets me these. Okay. That's 3. One, 3, 9. This is 3 or 9. This is 1, 3. Do bombs open up anything else? Well, let me keep going. See what I can. Oh, 6, 8 pair here makes this 4. That's 5. And that's 9. Okay, I think that's all I can get without... Oh. Yeah, I think I need this to resolve the... Oh, well, that's... Yeah, I need this to get the rest of these. Okay. Well, let me see what else I've got on the field. One, 4, 7, 9. 9 left in this row. Three, 4, 8, 9. This is not 4 or 9, it's 3 or 8. 3, 4, 8. Oh, this 6 looks up. Duh. Okay. No 3 there. Aha! Got a heart piece. That's nice. Oh, that's 8. Oh, this is 4. This 8 resolves that. Gold Sculptula, which looks down and resolves this. There. 5 rupees. Okay. It's 4. Three, 9. Oh, the 6 looks up. Aha! 20 rupees. Nice. Makes this 3. Oh, I can finish the entire field. Serenade of Water. Oh, that gets me in the Water Temple. Okay. Let's see. Okay, that's 4. Three, 7. Okay. So it's mostly just the collectibles, the bonus collectibles. But, okay. Standard Sudoku rules apply. The blue cells in a column represent the rising water level. If a blue cell is higher than another blue cell in the same column, then its value must be greater. Okay, so if I understand that rule right, these are 3-cell thermos going up. So this is 1. And this is 2. This is 1. So there is a 1 up here. Oh. This is 2 or 3. Doesn't... Either of these could be 3. Let's see. I can't put 9 up here, because I can't put anything higher than 9. So 9 goes down here, and that means that's 9. Oh, 7 in this row. Leaving that as 5, and that is 8. this is 1, 2, or 3, because it has to be less than that. Oh. This is 2, 3, 4, not 2. This is also from 1, 2, 3. Because it has to be less than that. 1 cannot go here. It has to go down here. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. These are only from 6, 8, 9. So they are in fact a 6, 9 pair, and this has to be 6. This has to be 9. So this is 1, 8. That's 1. I guess a simpler question would have been to ask, where is it? Oh, Zelda's Lullaby. That gets this. Okay. Hover boots. Ooh. And 5 rupees. Okay. What are... Ah. Okay, so that is not 8. Ah. Any other? No. Still nothing there. Okay. Forest Temple's done. Hyrule Field is done. Alright, let's see what I can do here. Oh, where does 6 go in this row? Two, 3 here. Okay, what's left in this column? 2, 3, and 7? Oh, well, 7 can only go there. In this column. Okay, so that's 2, 3. Ah, that's a 2, 3 pair. So that is 1. So that is a 2, 8 pair, which sees that, leaving this as 1 and, oh, I guess the 2, 3 pair here also leaves this as 1 and whatever, 1 and 5, resolved by that. And by that, for that matter. 2, 3, and 7. Oh, that's 7. It's specifically 2, 3, and 6 left in this. Missing. Feels like no, it's Dampe was here. Is that a clue? Hammer or the Goron tunic. Oh. missing anything else I can pick up in here? Am I? No. Okay, so there must be something else I can do in here. This digit goes here. Yeah, I've gotten almost everything. What? Do I somehow know? Can I somehow deduce what combination this is? Or is it just one of these? Because it doesn't look like this will be enough clues to get... Am I missing something here? Each combination, okay. That's... I got that. I just... maybe I should look back in here. This is from 2, 3, or 4, because it's not 5. I guess there's a 9 in here. 4, 6, 7, 9. I guess this is only 4 or 6. This is only 4 or 7. Oh, this is only 4, 6, or 7. Okay, this is 9. This is 7, this is 8. That would make this 8, but that's fine. Oh, in fact, this is only 7 or 8 anyway. Can I... Four, 6, 7. I guess there's a 3 in one of these 3. Oh, there's a 1 up here. And a 1 up here. Oh, this is only 5 or 9. What about... I I guess 6 in this box only goes here. Oh! This is 6. Because it's the only spot for 6 in the... Okay, so this is... So this is a 5-6 pair. This is 2 or 3, so that's 4. Wow. That is... Oh, this is a 2-3 pair. Oops. So that's 9. So that's 4. So this is 6 or 8. Oh, where does 3 go in this box? Which makes... Huh? Oh dear. How far... oh dear. Is there a way to check if... going to assume that, okay, so I got that. This is 4 or 9. That's not 4. These are from 4, 6, 8. There's a 3 up here. Four, 6, 7, 9. Oh, 9 in this row. It can only go there. So that was correct. This is 4, 6. This is 4, 7. This is 4, 6, 7. That's still correct. Those are still... Okay, this is not 6. So this has to be 6. Oh, so this is 9, this is 4. So this is 2, 3. This is still 5, 6, and this is still 4, 7. I just don't know about this. Seven, 8 here. Wait. Oh, this can't be 6, 7, 8, or 9. So this is only 5. This is 1, 3. This is 1, 2, 3. So there's a 1 up here. Well, thanks, Abyss. Let's see, where's... V's phone. Oh, from Cyberpunk, yeah. Cool. Oh, that's 5. There's also the fact that one of these is 6. I've got to remember that. There's also a 3 up here. Six, 7, 9. Oh, that's 7. So that's 8. I guess it's in one of these. Oh, that's not 8. I should... Ooh. Oh, not quite. That is... 2, 3, 4 here. Yeah, so this is 6 or 9. Nice, and so is this. Guessing this will resolve these two. There's also a 5 up here. This is 3 or 4. 1, 3, 4, 5. This is 3, 4, 5. This is 1, 4, 5. There's a 1 up here. There's... Doesn't feel like I've... These are only from 1, 2, 7, 8. Fear So how on earth am I supposed to resolve these? Finish these. Is there some way I can, like... But I've got the 3 combinations. Is it possible one of these has... Is it possible a combination repeats? The only one that I already have that could repeat would be... Is there some... Well, so far all of these contain either 1, 2, 3 or some... Have all the low digits together by rotation, and all of the higher digits together. But there doesn't seem... I really don't feel comfortable, like, guessing based on that. So what can I possibly be meant to... What on earth? Well, yeah, but I already... That's it. Huh. is only 6, 7, 8, 9. So I guess 5 in this column only has 2 spots. Do I know that, like... Do I know anything else about the combinations? Because I've entered these already. What is this? How do I open this? If I knew anything about... Hmm? Can I enter any of these again? But I thought I had ruled... No, the only way I was able to enter these was by not. Can I... Is there some way to deduce any of the other combinations? There doesn't seem to be. So right now the only thing I can even try to do is get more of this. What does this mean? Is this telling me something? I think I am fully stuck here unless... this isn't 9. 5, 7, 8. This is 4, 6, or 7. One of these is 9. This does not... Oh, well, I don't have roping here. This is 4, 6, 8. This is 5, 7, 9. What on earth can I do here? There's a 2 down here. So there's a 2 in here. More up here. 1 up here. This just doesn't... I feel like I feel like I've gone wrong somewhere. Am I just supposed to guess? No way. They wouldn't... There's a 2 up here. What am I meant to do here? This is just straight up impossible. These are from 5, 7, 8, 9. That's 5, 7, 9. One, 3, 4, 7. So okay, I got all of this. I got everything in here. Just need... It feels like... Is there... This will... I mean, this cannot be a 9. So I guess I could use that, but that wouldn't get me anything to... If this is a 9, then none of this is ever unique. Then none of these boxes are ever unique. But even if I assume that these are 9s just by uniqueness, that doesn't actually resolve these. I need... What is the order of operations here? Because I can't get... There's just too many... Is there some weird, like, bent WXYZ wing shit I'm supposed to do? Like in here? This is 2. If this is 8... If this is 2, 3, 8. If this is 8, 3, 2, 8. There is something wrong here. Because, like, I've... This... So I guess this goes here in this column. Wait. Oh. Yeah, this is all... I just don't have enough information about anything to even try and make any deductions anywhere. I just... Am I supposed to be able to tell what this is? Well, I can't do the 6, 7 clockwise here because there's no way for the 6 to go next to the 7. I can't do, like, the first 3 digits are always increasing because those could go anywhere, and what on earth am I meant to do? Randomizer. Oh dear. Is there... Oh dear. Did you randomize it and just not test it properly to make sure everything was logically solvable? This is all correct. If it's a randomizer, oh, tell me that's not. Where the fuck was anything? Okay. Lens of truth. Huh? Wait. Oh. But wait. If I didn't... Oh. Okay. What? Ah! Okay. So the only... Okay, but the iron boots get me these. Okay. What do any of these even tell? I guess that's not 6. So, oh, that's a 7-8 pair. Wait, could I have gotten this? No, I needed something to get. Well, how was I supposed to do this? Because I'm guessing I have to... Even with this, what the heck does that actually get me? One, 3, 5. Oh, that's 1. Okay. Found another combination. Okay. 2, 5, 9. Can't be here. The 5 and the 9 can't go next to each other here, so it must be up here. These cannot be 2. This cannot be 2. Oh, none of these can be 2, okay. That can't be 2. That can't be 2. Oh, 2, 5, 9, 8, 1. That doesn't work. Okay, so this is... Okay. Three, 6, 7. That's 6. 3, 7 pair and a 1, 5 pair. Honestly, oh, that's... I thought I... Oh, it saves each board. It saves each board separately, okay. Alright, let me... I should come back to this another time and see if I can actually solve this legitimately. And if I can't, then it's not a very good randomizer. Alright. Well, sorry to end on a low note, but right, Bill. Alright. I'll be back on Wednesday with more Schrodinger's cat burglar, and on Thursday with more puzzles. Alright. Bye.